Hello, financial fans. Different look. I'm at my number 2 house today, and I'm wearing the red shirt because the markets seem to be down a little bit. A lot of red ink flowing out there, and I am going to buy a stock today. And first of all, I'll read you some of the numbers here. My account, my portfolio is down 0.42% today, and the Dow Jones is down 1.37% today. S&P 500 is down 0.86% today, and the NASDAQ is down, but just barely 0.04. So it's a down day on Wall Street, with the Dow Jones right now $488 down, and so I'll buy something. The stocks that I recommended as something to consider for your portfolio, I will pick one of those, and I have already picked one. VALE. What I will do is I'll go to my trading page here. I'm at TD Ameritrade, and I will click on stocks and ETFs, exchange traded funds, but this is I'm going to buy and a certain quantity of stocks, and I don't have my glasses here, so I guess, can I see that? Yes. And the symbol VALE. So I'm going to put in a buy order for this market day. I'll be buying at the market price, whatever that is, and it will be in effect for the day. But I can tell you, TD Ameritrade, and probably any broker that's a legitimate broker right now, if you trade stocks, it goes by fast. As long as you're trading a stock that trades at least 1 million shares a day, I will review order, click on review order, and see if they've got all the information correct here. And that all looks right, and I have to click place order real fast. I think I've got something like 90 seconds in which to do it. And I just clicked it, and already it is filled, right? Where is that? Let me get my magnifying glass filled. I bought VALE, and I got it for $22.445 on this date, which is 5/11/21. 13:39 is their time. So anyway, I have bought a stock. The market probably will still go down for the rest of this week, maybe even Friday, but at some point it's going to turn around and go back up. I like to think of the stock market as being something like two elevators. One's going up and one's going down, and at some point they're both on the 50th floor. They're at the exact same place, but one is going up and one is going down. And when it's going down, the lower it gets, that's a better time to get in if you want to go up. Doesn't make much sense, but it is true. Buy low, sell high is the 4-word saying on Wall Street that generally is true. You can buy high and go higher, which is probably what I'm going to be doing here today. But anyway, I hope all is going well for you, and don't be gloomy. Don't use words like market crashing and everybody's going to lose all their money and Wall Street's finished forever. No, it's just another day. And I remember the 1987 so-called crash, and I remember after 9/11 and other times, the market goes down. That's when I try to get on board. So hopefully your portfolio is doing well, or will be doing well by next week. So let's remember that things will be better and the market will go up. So thank you very much for watching.